What's up, everybody? It's a Chelly Derman here, and today I am back with an video.
I don't give a fuck.
Alright guys, I hope you are doing well and you're here. Also you're here. Today I am going to give you guys my realistic wash day routine, okay? And it's going to be only 3 steps. We're going to deep condition your hair, wash your hair, and styling it, okay? So make sure you keep tuned if you're interested in this video. Alright guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is a hot mess. It really needs some help. The first thing I'm going to recommend you is to apply a deep conditioner before you wash your hair, and this can be any conditioner. You can check out the deep conditioner I have in my channel already, or just do anyone you feel like. Just going to make your hair grow and be more healthy. So for my deep conditioner, I'm going to be using Aloe Vera or Savila. Also, I'm going to be using Argan Oil and coconut oil. Okay, make sure this product be 100% natural. I'm talking about the oil, because you don't want to put garbage in your hair. All right, girls, I'm going to be completely sincere with you. I've been slacking or getting lazy doing this deep conditioner thing, and it's been happening for the past months, but I am accepting it. I know I have to do something for my hair. My hair usually don't look like this when I deep condition my hair before, so I am really worried about that and I don't like it. Okay guys, so first thing first, we're going to prepare our mask or our deep condition for our hair, and this is what we're going to do now. Alright guys, so the first step we're going to do is cut the aloe vera leaf in pieces, and then we're going to just cut the side of it, and lastly what we're going to do is cut them in half each piece. And for that, we're going to be very careful because we don't want to cut ourselves, okay? And next thing we're going to do is scrape the gel out the leaf so that we can use it for our mask. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already take out all the juice of the Savila or aloe vera, and now I'm going to be using the 2 oils that I mentioned before, the coconut oil and the argan oil. You can use any oil you have at home. It doesn't matter which oil you use. Make sure it just be 100% natural, okay? So that we're going to do now, what we're going to be using is 1 tablespoon of this and 1 tablespoon of this. So let's do that. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do to apply this mask, we're going to detangle our hair so that the product can penetrate better. And for that, we're going to damp our hair. I'm going to be using water. Make sure you damp your hair so when you are detangling your hair, you minimize breakage and split ends. Okay, never detangle your hair when it's dry. Don't say I didn't say it before. Alright guys, so now that I finished detangling my hair, I'm going to show you how much hair comes out. See? Not much. Now what I'm going to be doing is parting my hair in 4 so that the I can handle the product or the mask much better. Now I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we're going to start applying the product. it's going to be messy, but I can guarantee you it works. All right, it really works. Oh, just apply the product all through your hair.
Just be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you got as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races and never begin.
Alright guys, as you can see, I already applied the conditioner and I already wrapped my hair with the plastic. So now I'm going to be leaving it for 30 minutes while I do little stuff in the house. You can leave it as long as you want it. Okay? Alright guys, so it's been like an hour now. I'm going to be washing out my hair, and for that I'm going to be using this shampoo, and it's from Aussie's Miracle Moist. It says it with avocado and natural jojoba oil. And I'm going to be using this conditioner. It says is exclusive blend with coconut milk, coconut oil, and ultra whipped egg. It says that this exotic formula helps add strength, elastic, hydration, and balance for healthy hair, and it's from the OGX company. So you can use whatever shampoo you're using for your hair. Just make sure that your shampoo, if you are a curly girl, make sure your shampoo is free of sulfate and paraben. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go into the shower and shampoo and condition my hair. Alright. Oh, it's so slimy. Ooh. Okay guys, see you in a bit. I'm out the shower guys. All I did was detangle my hair. So now I'm going to show you how I style my hair and the result. Let me tell you something. My hair feels so soft right now. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys can just touch my hair right now. It's so soft. I really recommend you do this. Any deep conditioner, you're going to thank me later. Alright, so just let's start with this styling part. For styling, what I'm going to be using is this leave-in conditioner from Cantu. So I'm going to be using this product, Kinky Moves Curl Defining Hair Cream. It's from Natural Matter. Okay, I'm going to leave all the product in the description down below. And also I'm going to be using this. This is a gel. It's a Flaxseed Gel. I made it, and I also have a video on how to make it and how to apply it on your hair. So I'm going to leave that somewhere up here, and also I'm going to be putting it in the description down below. So yeah guys, it's only these three products I'm going to be using for my styling. Okay, I detangle my hair with my big comb, and I'm going to be styling it with this. Is a Demnon brush. I do not detangle my hair with this because this brush is not for detangling. Alright, so now I'm going to be applying the first product, what is the leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioning. So I'm going to be putting this much on each section of my hair, which I already divide. So I'm going to just put that in my hair, and I'm looking over there because there I have my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Now I'm going to be applying more product on this part of my hair. Now that I have in my leave-in conditioner, you must put in a leave-in conditioner in your hair after you wash it. Now I'm going to be using this curling defining cream and this product smells so freaking good. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to put this much in only one part of my hair. Now I'm going to be putting more product. I need to get on this. And this one. Yeah. I'm going to put this over here. And this is how I style my hair. I just divide my hair in two and that is it. Now I'm going to be styling my hair or defining my hair. I'm sorry, I'm going to be defining my hair with this Demnon brush. Okay, so for that you're going to divide your hair in two. So now I'm going to be applying my Flaxseed Gel, and I'm going to put this much on this part of my hair. Make sure to do it from down to up, okay? And now you're going to get your Demnon brush. If you don't have a Demnon brush and you have one of these comb, you can also use it. It works the same. So make sure you put the Demnon brush this right from the root of your hair. So if your hair have a little knot inside, then you just take it out with this. So this is what you're going to do. And when you reach into the end, you curve it and you start curling the bottom. Then it's going to drop. And then all you're going to do is crunch. And the same thing you're going to do with the rest of your hair. Okay guys, look at the difference when I define my hair with the Demnon brush, and look when my hair is just without no styling. Okay, so as you can see, I already have my hair defined. Now I'm going to do this part. Okay guys, I already styled my hair and defined it. As you can see, it's really pretty. So now I'm going to be blow dry my hair and diffusing it. So yeah, see you in a little bit. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I am really happy because my hair is so beautiful. So yeah guys, like I said before, make sure you just deep condition your hair before you shampoo. After that, just make sure you use a conditioner and a shampoo that is good for your hair. Like I said before, free of paraben and free of sulfates. And also use a leave-in conditioner after you finish with your shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so yeah guys, that was everything for the video. I hope you like it, enjoy. I hope everything that I mentioned today was something helpful for you. I hope that the process of my wash and go is something that maybe you already doing it, or if not, you should just consider doing it. for the sake of your hair. And I hope you keep tuned for next videos, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.